Welcome to Rerzeh, your ultimate health and wellness guide. Salt is a staple in almost every kitchen, but consuming too much of it can have serious consequences for your health. While your body needs a small amount of sodium to function properly, most people are eating far more than the recommended daily limit. Let's explore why excessive salt intake is a problem, how it affects your body, and what you can do to reduce it. Why too much salt is harmful. 1. High blood pressure, hypertension. Salt is made up of sodium and chloride, and sodium is the main culprit behind its negative effects. When you consume too much sodium, your body retains extra water to dilute it. This increases the volume of blood in your bloodstream, putting pressure on your blood vessels and leading to high blood pressure. Over time, this can strain your heart and increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage. 2. Bloating and water retention. Excess sodium causes your body to hold on to water, leading to bloating, puffiness, and discomfort. This is why you might feel swollen after eating a salty meal. 3. Increased risk of stomach cancer. Studies have linked high salt intake to a higher risk of stomach cancer, possibly due to damage to the stomach lining or the growth of harmful bacteria like H. pylori. 4. Negative impact on bone health. High sodium levels can cause your body to lose calcium through urine, which may weaken your bones over time and increase the risk of osteoporosis. How much salt is too much? 1. The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends consuming less than 5 grams of salt per day, about 1 teaspoon. 2. However, the average person consumes 9–12 grams daily, mostly from processed and packaged foods like chips, canned soups, sauces, and fast food. How to reduce your salt intake. 1. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home gives you control over how much salt goes into your food. Use fresh ingredients and avoid pre-packaged sauces or seasonings. 2. Use herbs and spices. Replace salt with flavorful alternatives like garlic, lemon juice, black pepper, cumin, paprika, or fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and rosemary. 3. Read food labels. Check the sodium content on packaged foods and choose low sodium or no salt added options. Be wary of terms like sodium nitrate or monosodium glutamate, MSG. 4. Limit processed foods. Cut back on salty snacks, canned goods, deli meats, and fast food. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains instead. 5. Rinse canned foods. If you use canned beans or vegetables, rinse them thoroughly to remove excess salt. Signs you're eating too much salt. 1. Frequent bloating or puffiness. 2. Persistent thirst. 3. High blood pressure. 4. Headaches or fatigue. 5. Swelling in hands, feet, or face. Final thoughts. Reducing your salt intake is one of the simplest ways to improve your health and lower your risk of chronic diseases. By making small changes like cooking at home, using herbs and spices, and reading food labels, you can enjoy delicious meals without the extra sodium. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share and turn on the notification button.